Hello there, Charlie boy. Hello, David. What do you want? Well, I've got a little question for you, son. Are we going to do this song for Big Dave's charity walk, or what? I don't do anything for charity, David. You should know that. All my lovely money is for me. What's that in your hand? What does it look like? It's a feather duster. It's a gun, stupid. Yes, I can see it's a gun. What's it doing pointing at my legs? Well, I'm going to ask you that question again. Only this time I expect a very different answer. Are we going to do this song for Big Dave's charity walk, or what? Yes, of course, we must. One must do one's bits of charity. Mustn't one? Good boy. You know it makes sense. You mug. He was ratted! Completely off his face, and he said, "Listen, fellas, this is what I'll do. I'll go walking the length of old Blighty. I'll sleep in tents and bury my own poo." I said, "You nutter! That's more than 20 miles a day. You're built like a fridge stuck in a lump of glue." But he said, "Fellas, it will be worth a bit of pain if it'll make you all donate a bob or two." And he would walk 500 miles, and he would walk 500 more to be the man who walked 1,000 miles. But what was fighting for? Go Big Dave! Go Big Dave! Go Big Dave! Go Big Dave! Ramble on and on and on and on. Go Big Dave! Go Big Dave! Ramble on and on and on and on and... chips for salad and for food. But will it be worth it? Leaving his family all alone, sleeping in the ground for oh so long? Well, of course it will. If you good people get on board, we'll force MS and cancer to jog on.